Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of memory upgrades, and we have something special in store for you. It's the Crucial Pro RAM 32GB kit. If you're looking to supercharge your desktop's performance, you won't want to miss this. The Crucial Pro RAM 32GB kit is here to transform your computing experience. This high-performance DDR4 memory kit is packed with features that promise to take your desktop to the next level. First things first, compatibility matters. The Crucial Pro RAM is incredibly versatile and works seamlessly with a wide range of systems. Whether you're rocking an 8th Gen Intel Core or the latest AMD Ryzen 5000 series CPU, this RAM kit has your back. No one wants to deal with complex installations. That's why Crucial Pro RAM is designed for plug-and-play simplicity. You don't need to be a tech guru to upgrade your memory. Plus, it's downclock capable, making it suitable for systems that support lower speeds. Let's talk speed. With a memory speed of 3200 ms, this RAM kit means business. It's all about getting higher frame rates, seamless multitasking, enhanced productivity, and ultimately, saving both time and money. Intel XMP 2.0 support is a game-changer. It ensures your RAM runs at its rated speed, even when your CPU tries to slow it down. It's all about optimizing performance for the best user experience. Quality and reliability matter, especially when it comes to memory. Crucial is backed by Micron, one of the world's top memory manufacturers. With 45 years of memory expertise, you can trust in the quality of your Crucial Pro RAM. Now, there are a couple of important things to keep in mind. This RAM kit is tailored for desktops and workstations that support DDR4 DRAM. Also, be cautious when altering clock frequencies or voltages, as it could potentially damage your components. To wrap it up, the Crucial Pro RAM 32GB kit is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop's memory. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or simply someone who wants a snappier computer, this RAM kit has what it takes to deliver an outstanding performance boost. If you found this review helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more tech insights. Do you have any questions about this RAM kit? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your go-to destination for the latest tech product reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews, and until next time, keep upgrading and exploring the world of tech.